Hello everyone, I'm Kevin from Autai Electronic. We're currently preparing to ship VNA extender and Spectrum extender. Here's our packaging process. Let me show you what's inside these shipping containers. This is our Spectrum expanding equipment. Here's our extender main unit, covering 75 to 110 GHz frequency range. The front panel features a standard waveguide interface, our 10 waveguide connection, with 12V2A power adapter port at rear, power switch here, and dual jumpers for high and low pass. Local oscillator and IF connections, with common terminal here. This is the main unit overview. Additional include a USB driver, serialized calibration data for each unit. Package includes power adapters, waveguide screws, and screwdriver. This is our extender modules. The vector network analyzer's test setup. Similar configuration here, with W-band frequency coverage. This looks a bit bigger, features standard waveguide interface. Back panel includes RF LO and IF reference ports. 12V DC power input here, and push-button power switch. This system comprises two units, transmitter and receiver. Both units feature reversible waveguide connections. Allow flexible configuration with adjustable attenuator on one side. Includes matching adapters as well. Two power supplies, screws installation toolkit, and extra waveguide sections. A reinforced 60 mm straight waveguide to facilitate customers in testing waveguide devices. Additionally, we also provide 8 2.92 mm cables for instrument interfacing. Now to our waveguide calibration kit. Calibration kit, as we are seeing, there are two pieces of quarter wavelength phase shifting plates and two short circuit plates, two fixed loads, and two pieces of 2 inches straight waveguide section. Documents of calibration USB drive all here, and screws and screwdriver. Our engineers are currently testing the W-band VNA expanding configuration. Now let's take a look at what exactly is being tested here. We're conducting the test on this 75 to 110 GHz VNA dynamic range test, being validated on the 413674H main unit, as you can see during the dynamic range testing. Our current dynamic frequency is set at 10 GHz. The dynamic baseline maintained below 120 dB. This is a very good performance demonstration. Well, that would be all for today. Autai Electronics provides various microwave/mm wave frequency extension modules, such as signal source extensions, spectrum analyzer extensions, VNA extensions, and frequency conversion systems. Interested parties can contact us through local agents or our official website.